키캣, 도시락 만드는 거야? 내 것도 만들어줄 수 있어? 고마워. 역시 너밖에 없어. 안녕. Today we're going to learn how to say my. Wait, hold up. If you're thinking, Billy, I already know that my is 저에 or 나에, then you might still learn something new from this episode. Now, if you're intermediate level already, then you probably already know what I'm going to say. But let's take things from the beginning. Typically, to say my, you'll first want to say me. You can do this with either 저 or 나, depending on who you're speaking to. With close friends who are the same age as you or younger, you'll use 나. And with anyone else, you'll use 저. Then attach the possessive marker, 의. This is kind of like an apostrophe in English, and you'll get 저의 or 나의. Here are two quick examples. 저의 손은 깨끗해요. 나의 손은 깨끗해. My hands are clean. Now, in regular conversation, 저의 and 나의 are more often shortened to just 제 and 내. So, 제 손은 깨끗해요 and 내 손은 깨끗해 would be much more common. But 저의 and 나의 should only be used when you're talking about something that you actually own or something that's your property. You shouldn't use them when talking about people or even pets. For example, if you were to say 저의 동생, my younger sibling, it would be kind of like you were saying that you owned them, and frankly, it sounds really unnatural in Korean. So instead, in Korean, they actually use 우리 in these situations, which means we or our. 우리 동생은 귀엽고 똑똑해요. My younger sibling is cute and smart. And the same goes with pets. Use 우리 when talking about your pets. 우리 강아지 너무 예쁘죠? My dog is so pretty, huh? But one more thing, you can also use 우리 집, our house, or 우리 학교, our school, among other options, to emphasize that something belongs to your entire family or your entire school. So, 우리 집 something would mean that something was owned collectively by your whole family. I highly recommend using 우리 집 for pets instead of just 우리 since it's more commonly used. 우리 집 고양이가 맨날 쓰레기를 먹어요. My cat eats trash every day. 우리 집 원숭이 이름은 찰스예요. My monkey's name is Charles. By using 우리 집 instead of just 우리, it emphasizes even more that the monkey belongs to your whole house, meaning your family, and not only you. After all, it probably takes a lot of people to care for a monkey. Aren't monkeys illegal to have as pets? And one final thing before we go. If you're familiar with politeness levels in Korean, you'll also want to know the word 저희, which is the humble form of 우리. If you're not familiar with politeness levels much, just know that 저희 is a more polite way to say we or our. And it's used in the same way as 우리 together with polite speech. 저희 아버지도 거기서 일하고 계세요. Our father is working there too. And that's all for today. You can also learn more about this topic in the extended PDF version of this lesson, which is available to download for free on my website. Thank you for watching. And remember that I post new videos here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐. 아, 진짜 배고프다. 고마워. 근데 이거 먹을 수 있는 거지?